Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DraftKings how to bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your sportsbook app, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're inside your sportsbook app, here you can simply access the betting home screen by simply tapping on home screen, and then you'll be seeing like this, or you can just simply tap on this all sports icon on the bottom right of the screen, and here you can just search for the game that you want to bet on. Now let's just say you chose baseball, and once you do that, here all the events will be displayed. All you gotta do is just scroll down and then select the event that you want to bet on. You can select from run line, total and money line. Now these are the three types of bets that you can place. What I recommend you do is research on these three betting lines, and then once you have done that, all you gotta do is just select the event. And once you select the event, here what you need to do is select the bet slip as well. And once you do that, here all you gotta do is enter in the amount that you want to bet. And once you enter in the amount, here you will get an option that says place bet, and once you tap on that, that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.